Hi everyone and welcome back to RSB One Stop. As announced, Microsoft has released its major update on September 26, 2023, but in the form of the Moment 4 update instead of 23H2, which has been moved to later this month. Not sure what's behind the change in decision post-announcement, but we need to wait further for the major yearly release of the 23H2. Now coming to the update, there are a number of new features. Visual changes are made in this update, including the new Copilot in preview form, which replaces Cortana and assists with almost everything in Windows, as far as Microsoft has to say. Let's start with Copilot. In contrast to the demo, Copilot is failing to do the basic tasks that I have asked it to do, and it is not even able to repeat the same tasks that it has done earlier at the moment. I hope that this will change going forward with incremental updates to it, and let us see how deeply Microsoft integrates Copilot into Windows and makes it a reliable assistant, as they are claiming it to be. Now let's have a look at other features that have been added in this update. File Explorer. File Explorer has received a few tweaks and features, such as a new address bar, gallery, and details pane button in the top right corner to quickly access information about a file. Previously, this required manual enabling in the options. Apart from the details pane, the new gallery feature helps you to quickly access all your images in one place, instead of having to go into individual folders to access them. It needs to be mentioned that the thumbnails are loading much faster, and overall File Explorer seems smoother than before. File Explorer also now natively supports various archive formats, such as .7z, .tar, .rar, and other formats. However, please note that it does not support encryption of files as of now. So, for those who need to encrypt important data, they will still need to rely on third-party apps. Taskbar. Microsoft added the long-awaited feature to manage combined taskbar buttons and hide labels. Quick Settings. This update also adds a new volume mixer to the quick settings to customize individual app volumes and to switch between devices. System Tray. Now you can also hide the date and time in the system tray. To do this, right-click on the date and time and select Adjust Date and Time to get into the respective settings, and then find the Show Time and Date in the System Tray option to enable or disable it. Notifications. This update also adds a new bell icon for notifications. The icon will be filled in the accent color chosen if there are any notifications, and empty if there are none. This update also eases the way we force close apps that are not responding by just right-clicking on the app and selecting End Task from it. This option is not enabled by default. To enable it, we need to go into Settings, then System, then for Developers, and turn on the toggle to enable End Task option on right-click. Apart from these major changes, there are fixes for various other issues that users might have been facing. Please find more about these in the official changelog. We'll leave the link in the description. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this.